Alright, so here's part 2 of installing the LED indicators for my MyBee. So let's get on to it. Okay, so this part will be removing the backlights completely, so we'll be actually needing some tools to remove the nuts and bolts, whatever you call it. So just get ready at 10mm and you'll be good to go. So let's get on with it. So what you have to do first is just loosen up the bolts or nuts from the backlights. There's normally two on each side, and that should be it. And once you have already remove it or loosen it, just pop out the backlights and it should be able to come out. And once you have removed the nuts from it, you technically have to slide it out with a little bit of force. Actually, there is a clip actually holding onto this slide. So I'm going to have to try this one-handed, or at least try to remove it with some strength. Okay, I'm just gonna have to put you guys down for a moment while I try to remove this. Well, as you can see, there was a clip actually holding the light back, so you have to do is two-handed or with someone else, and there will be the signal light bulb thingy that you have to remove from it. And once you remove it, all you have to do is just plug in the new one and or just secure it back in the way you remove it, and that should be fine. And make sure you don't forget to tighten everything up before you put everything back, in case there's any gaps or anything like that, to avoid any problems in the future. And before you pasang balik everything and tighten all the screws and everything, just make sure the thing is working fine. Just give it a good test and make sure everything is okay. And once everything is okay, all the lights is working, just go ahead and push everything back into place and tighten your nuts properly. And once that side is done, we'll go ahead and do the next side. So here is what it looks like after replacing it to the LED, and it looks like an upgrade now. It looks much more better. And here's a comparison of the before. As you can see, there's so much of difference. Unfortunately, I can't even capture it camera how bright it is, but it looks good lah. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and have a good day.